I would like to show you how to upload your application to Google Store. As you can see, we have here an empty activity application generated in Android Studio. This application is working here in the emulator in order to make some screenshots which we will need when we upload our application. So in order to create screenshots, use this icon here just to see where the screenshot will be placed. Go to settings here and see what is the directory. To go to this property, use this three dots button. So let's click here, and then as we can see, let's go to my desktop, and you see I have screenshot. I have another one from the previous version. So now we can stop this application now. Now we will need to generate the release version of our application. Go to Build and click on Generate Signed APK. Choose which application we want to sign and click Next. If you have an existing key store, as you can see here, you can use this key store with the key inside of this key store. If not, if you don't have it, if you never created it, you will see something like this. And then you can create a new key store. Let's click here, create new key store path. Okay, let's put this key inside of the main directory of the user and call it, for example, key as key store. Then you will need to provide password. Confirm. And then you will need to put inside of this key store your key. I'll call it maybe Android, but you can use any name you want. Just give the password. You can choose the same password as for the key store or different one. So just fill this form. I'll just fill only a little bit of it and then click OK. And then use this key, click Next. Here, please choose the jar signature only and click on Finish. After a second, this release will be generated. Here you see the link. When you click on it, you see where we are, and we are inside of our application. And there you have this APK release. If you don't see this link in your operating system, just go into your application and then see, this is my test application. Okay, and then in app you have this release APK. I will just keep it open here. So this is all what I needed inside of Android Studio. Now we go to the web page, which is called playgoogle.com/apps/publish. You will need to have Google developer account. You will need to pay about $20–25 for this account. And then when you have such an account, you will see this screen. You can create a new application here, create this application. Just provide application test, the name of this application, and create this application. This is the first step, is just the description. This is the short description. Just add a long description. Every time when you do something, you can just save the draft. Then scroll down, and then you see here you need to provide images of your application. So here click on Browse and choose your screenshot. You will need at least 2 screenshots. In this case, I can also provide the same screenshot twice. So I have twice the same script, it doesn't work. Then you will need to provide the high resolution icon here, see, and the feature graphics. So I prepared such an icon. It must be exactly 512 times 512 pixels, and then this one should be bigger, 1024 times 500. Okay, and add it to your application. Then just choose the type of the application, then the category, rating, content rating. We will do it later. Provide some information here. I don't provide a privacy policy, just click not submitted. Okay, click OK, and you see this part here is more or less complete, but we have some problems. These exclamation marks tell you have some problems. So let's go to the first one, application release. Here you will create your release and you will just upload your application. I will go directly to the production. Of course, you can start with alpha, beta stage and then go and move it to the next stage. So manage production, create release, and here click on continue. Okay, and then here you will need to provide your application. So as you know, I have this application here. Click here, provide it. It should be accepted. If it's not accepted, then it means you have chosen a wrong signature. So use only this V1, the jar signature. So you have your application in the system. You can provide some description and so on and so on and so on. So now here we have a problem. Here you have the content rating. Click on it and then continue and choose what is the type of your application. Okay, let's choose this one. No, first you will need also just choose your email address. Let's copy it one more time, confirm. Okay, and then choose this one and then answer the questions. So I will answer here with no. Everything, no. Save questionnaire, forgetting to save it. This is, okay, then you save this questionnaire and then you click on calculate rating. So you see what is the rating, just apply. So this is the rating of your application. You can start a new questionnaire. Then about pricing. And you see here, this application is free. When you want to have a paid application, you click there and then you will need to set up your account. I will use the free application, then choose the countries. I will choose all countries here, clicking this one, available in all countries. Then fill this one. Is it for children? No. Has no ads. That's okay. And scroll down, and at least you must click here, this too. And save draft. And you see here, now you see this link ready to publish. So at this moment you can publish your application. So let's click on it. Okay. Let's manage production. Click on review. And then you can just click here, start rollout to production. I will not confirm because I don't want to make this application available, but you can now click on confirm, and you will start publish. Very often you will need to wait for the decision if it's accepted or not. And then if there are some problems, just solve these problems. Okay, this is all. Thank you very much.